Hi everyone, my name is Treta.
Hi, I'm Precious.
And I'm Stokely, and we're here to tell you about our experience at the leadership retreat. We went to the leadership retreat in January 2018. For me, it was really an extraordinary experience. I was actually blown away by everything that was put together for the retreat.
The food was good. Breakfast was like my favorite time of the morning. It's like, oh my god.
That's true. The food was really looked at. I mean, they had everything for everyone. If it's vegetarian, if you eat meat, it doesn't really matter. They had something. Yeah.
And the activities were put together really nicely. Like everything was in place. We went there. The place was ready for us, of course. And like all the activities, they had really deep meaning to it. Like yeah, we did it. Like every icebreaker or something. Every icebreaker also had a meaning to it, and led to another session and stuff like that. So it was really nice, and it was a really great for our personal growth as a leader or as a person as well. So
thank you for watching our video on the wilderness at the leadership retreat. I hope you learned something and that it's not really a wilderness. Also check out our other YouTube videos about food and the experience about making friends at the leadership retreat.